Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Werner telescoping multipurpose ladder. This aluminum multipurpose ladder is designed to adjust to different heights to gain maximum versatility. It has adjustable locks that help in the adjustments of the ladder's height. Also, this ladder can be converted into a two-person ladder or extension ladder, making it easy to work with at different heights and positions. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kidde two-story escape ladders. These are safety ladders that offer a quick and safe way to escape in case of emergencies from buildings as high as 2-story. These ladders are light in weight and have a compact design that makes storage easy and convenient. It has anti-slip rungs and is assembled and is ready to use. This sturdy ladder can hold up to 1,000 pounds of weight. At number 3, we have the Little Giant's 15,422 multi-use velocity ladder. If you want a ladder that takes a faster time to set up and take down, light-weighted and at the same time durable and safe, then the Little Giant's multi-use velocity ladder is the best fit for you. This ladder has a rock lock system that makes it easy for set up and take down of the ladder by just releasing the lock to adjust ladder and tap to close. Also, its wide flared legs and double hinge makes it safe for one to work on. The ladder can hold up to 300 pounds of weight and has gliding wheels that make it easy to move from one job to another. At number 2, we have the Little Giants Systems Flip-N-Lite step ladder with platform. The Flip-N-Lite ladder is a safe yet budget-friendly step ladder manufactured by Little Giants Systems. Despite its industrial-rated construction, this ladder is very lightweight, making it easy to carry. Its slim shape makes it convenient for transportation and storage. The Flip-N-Lite ladder has a huge platform that makes it very comfortable and stable to stand on while performing your tasks. Due to its new duty construction, this step ladder can accommodate up to 300 pounds of weight, making it the perfect solution for construction workers. And finally at number 1, we have the Cosco 3-step max steel platform. This Costco product is an aluminum-made step ladder, which is used for different types of home projects whether big or small. It is a very versatile and durable platform and provides one with a long time of use. The Cosco 3-step platform has a slip-resistant tread design that makes it stable and secure to use. It is convenient to use as it has slots for storage of work tools that makes work easier for someone. The skid-resistant gliding legs protect your floors from marring. The step ladder can hold up to 225 pounds of weight, thus it can handle a medium amount of household-related work. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.